أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم بسم الله والحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله صلى الله على محمد صلى الله عليه وسلم. Dear our students, welcome today with our new lesson of our English course. Today, inshallah, we will start to study Unit 4. Okay. Now, my dear students, let's go to start our lesson today. Unit 4, Communication. Today, inshallah, we will study together lesson 1 and 2, vocabulary. Now, my dear students, let's go to start with this question. Why is it important to be a good listener? Why is it important to be a good listener? Yes, we can say to be recognized and remember, to feel valued, to feel appreciated, to feel respected, to feel understood, and we can say to feel comfortable about a want or need. Okay. And now, what is the difference between passive listening and active listening? What is the difference between passive listening and active listening? Yes, we can say passive listening, listening to hear. Passive listening refer to listening to hear. On the other hand, active listening refer to listening to understand. Okay. Let's talk about communication breakdown. On average, people spend over 75% of their time in interpersonal situations. So, is it really a surprise to find that poor communication is at the root of a large number of personal problems? And now, effective communication. Effective communication is an essential component of healthy relationships, whether it's an interpersonal or organizational. Communication is our topic today. So, communicating effectively involves a number of specific strengths, especially listening skills. And now, let's go to start with our new vocabulary today. We start with the first word today, defensiveness. I want all of you, listen to me carefully and repeat after me. Defensiveness. Defensiveness. Yes, a major source of communication problems is defensiveness. It means behaving in a way that other people are criticizing you. Yes, when people feel threatened, they will try to protect themselves. This is natural. And now, another new word, adjustments. Repeat after me, adjustments. Adjustments. A skillful listener is aware of the potential for defensiveness and makes the adjustments needed during their conversations. Now, what's the meaning of adjustment? It means a change in the way someone behaves or thinks. Okay? Yes. And now, another new word today, empathy. Repeat after me. Empathy. Empathy. Listen openly and with empathy to the other person. Empathy means sharing feelings of others. Sharing feelings with others. Yes. Yes. And now, practice supportive listening instead of one-way listening. Listen between the lines. Yes, you must keep this information in your mind. The best listeners listen between the lines. Another new word today, interlocutor. 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 Neither control the conversation, neither control the conversation, nor interrupt your interlocutor. Okay? Yes. Interlocutor means a person who takes part in a dialogue or conversation. Yes. Don't judge before you compare. Don't judge before you compare. And now, another new word today, enhance. Repeat after me. Enhance. Enhance. Being a good and patient listener helps you to see the world through the eyes of others, enhancing your empathy. Enhance means to improve the quality, value, or strength. Another new word today, capacity. Capacity. For example, so being a patient listener helps you to enhance your capacity for empathy. Capacity means the ability or power to do something. The ability or power to do something. Yes, another new word today, distraction. Distraction. Distraction such as noise leads to poor listening. Distraction means something that interferes with concentration or takes attention away. Another new word today, block out. Block out. Block out. To stop yourself from thinking about an unpleasant memory because it upsets you. Another new word today, assumptions, assumptions, assumptions. There are many assumptions we make while communicating with others. Assumption means a thing that is accepted as true and certain to happen without question or proof. Okay? Yes, for example, you might think that you know what the other person is going to say. So you simply don't listen to the conversation anymore. Another new word today, nonverbal. Nonverbal. Another barrier. Another barrier to communication has to do with nonverbal signals. Nonverbal means not using words or speech. And now, for the last time, I want all of you listen to me carefully and repeat after me. Adjustment, adjustment, capacity, capacity, defensiveness, defensiveness, empathy, empathy, enhance, enhance, interlocutor, 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 assumption, assumption, lookout, lookout, distraction, 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 nonverbal, nonverbal. And now, I want all of you, my dear students, open your students book, page 34. Yes. Number 1, discuss. Discuss the following question. What do you think are the characteristics of a good listener? Okay. Yes, I want all of you thinking carefully, and let's go to see the answer. Yes. We can say a good listener doesn't interrupt the speaker. He keeps attention focused on speaker. He maintains eye contact. He accepts idea and feelings. Okay. And now, yes, try to work in pairs and answer these questions. Yes, complete the following table with the necessary information. Tick the boxes where the characteristics apply to you or your partner. Yes, in this exercise, we need to compare the results. Who turns out to be the better listener? Okay. And now, my dear students, what are the 4 barriers to effective communication which the speaker mentions? Okay. Yes. What are the 4 barriers to effective communication which the speaker mentions? You can say poor listening skills, assumptions, nonverbal signals. Yes, improper use of questions. Yes. What 4 factors cause poor listening skills to develop? We can say lack of interest, distractions, disagreement with the speaker, and passive listening. Okay. And now, The last point today, why is it important to be a good listener? Why is it important to be a good listener? It helps you to solve many problems and see the world through the eyes of others. Also, it helps to enhance your capacity for empathy. Now, my dear students, we reached to the end of our lesson today. Thank you very much for your watching. See you next time, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.